Hello everyone, this is Preeti and I am a Java and MERN Stack trainer. Today I am going to demonstrate an e-commerce web application developed using the MERN, which includes MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, and Node.js. This project is designed to simulate a real-world online shopping platform with modern UI, secure authentication, and dynamic product handling. Okay, what are the technologies we used for this project? I'll give an overview. On the front end, I have used React.js along with React Router version 6 for a smooth navigation and Tailwind CSS for the responsive UI design. On the other hand, we will be using a backend part. The application is powered by Node.js and Express.js and MongoDB is used as database to store users, products, and orders. State management such as like I am using here cart handling is implemented using the React Context API. Okay, can you see here like we will be having a navigation bar. The navigation bar first page is home page. This is the home page which serves as the landing page of the application. It highlights featured products, categories, and branding information to attract users and smooth shopping experience. And navigation bar at the top you see we have a dynamic navbar that is visible across all main pages. It includes navigation links such as home, shop, pages, contact. Along with this, we will be having search, cart, and user login icons also. It is provided in the navigation bar. The cart icon dynamically updates based on the number of the products added and which improves user experiences also. Coming to the shop page, if you are moving to the shop page, suppose if I click here, I'm just going to the page of shop. What are the things will be displayed here? Here we can view all available products, fetch dynamically, and each product displays its image, okay, name of that product, then price of that product, and rating also it is displayed. And one button will be there, that is add to cart button. When I click this, when I click the button, add to cart button, it navigates to a add to cart option. If you just open that add to cart functionality, your cart will be having a feature over here. See here, we will be having a product image, product name, and the quantity how much you want, and the price. And if you want to remove, you have the remove button also. I just wanted to remove, then it will be showing your cart is empty and go to shop page. Okay, now this I've just clicked add to cart button, but if I just clicking on the image, it is going to display a single product image. Each product displays its image, name, price, categories, color, and add to cart button. This page shows detailed information about the selected product which you already selected it. From here Users can add items to the cart. Users directly they can add to the cart or proceed with the buy now functionality also. Suppose I just want to add the product now, it is added to the cart, then they can have these details, then they can be clicking on the buy now button also. That feature also I have included in the project. Moving to the cart functionality, the cart page uses React context to manage the cart state globally. Users can increase, see here I can increase or decrease quantity and remove items also it is possible, and with the total price also it is showing here. This ensures efficient state handling without the page reloads. Okay, suppose if I click buy now functionality, and see here secure checkout will be available. In this secure checkout we will be having here delivery address, full name, mobile number, full address, city, pin code, and payment methods also I've just used here. Payment method, cash on delivery, credit or debit card, UPI payment. Suppose if I click credit card, all the information it is going to take. Credit card number, name on card, what is the validity. Automatic payment methods filling is disabled because this form does not use a secure connection. It is in the local hoster. When you are deploying somewhere on the live domain, then it will be a secure connection. Okay, and CVV, UPI payment, everything it is going to display. Okay, and after that here you see you can place the order securely. That feature also I have just included in your project. Coming to the pages section, see here, coming to the pages section, the pages section is designed to provide a additional brand related information such as like about us, collections, and customer care. It is built with the interactive cards. See, these are built with the interactive cards, and you see whenever you go to that, you just move cursor over there. It will be giving you hover effect also. That feature also we are added. Hover effects, it enhances UI engagement. Okay. And next, I'm just moving to the contact section. In this contact page, this is the contact page where the contact page includes interactive form. See here, we have the interactive form where users can submit a queries or a feedback. The form is handled using a React state and can be easily connected to the backend to store a messages in a MongoDB, which we are using it as a database only. Okay, and moving to the authentication part. Authentication. See, I'm just clicking on the authentication. The application includes, see, this application includes login and register page. Suppose you don't have account. Here I can enter the email address, password, and if I don't have the address, you can go for a register. Suppose I forgot the password, means you will be having a forgot password link also available. It is in the project. Okay, these pages are separated from the main layout to ensure a clean UI and secure authentication also. Suppose I just want to create the register. If you click create account, it is going to show you people. Okay, now I'll just go back, observe. So I'm just talking about routing and architecture now. The project uses React routers, nested routing with a common layout. The navbar and footer are a part of the main layer. Yeah, obviously, every project you see here, the navbar is very main layout and the footer is also main layout. This is the footer. the contact info, company, useful links, Instagram. So this is the footer. Very like it is common for all pages which you are connecting with your navbar. Correct? And navbar and footer a very important essential part of your website. This structure follows industry best practices. Industry best practices. You see that in the Flipkart or whatever the websites, Amazon, Zomato, Blinkit, many websites are created based on this structure only. Structure means like it should have at least minimum requirements of the project. Card functionality should be there, search will be there. If I search, see, if you go here, search, I just want to search only leather bag. You can just type. Suppose I don't want this, I just want some other thing. I just want here gold necklace. These are the products which I've displayed. Other than this also you can weave, okay? But you have to use the products first. I just want here a gold. I'm going to search only gold necklace will be displayed. Likewise, search option also you have to give for the every project, not only this project, for every project. So if it is a e-commerce project means. Come back to the home page. Home page which includes accessories. So suppose if I click here accessories, it is going to show accessory page. Okay, dress collections page, jewelry page, and cosmetics page. Like and you mean t-shirts, what are the branded things we are having in the website? Women t-shirts, women dresses, women casuals. Okay, trending products. These are the trending products. And if you just click on the load more, it is going to load more products also. Suppose I only have here 10 products. You can build many products. And deals up to 20% discount, deals of the month. This 14 days, 24, 20 hours, 15 minutes, 5 seconds. So everything, free delivery, what are the things, latest blogs we have, and the lastly we will be having here a footer. Okay, this is what the project. So this crystal clear explanation of your project, everything we are going to do in our institute. Okay, this is how we can create the project using the MERN stack. Not only this, can create many things. I hope this session you liked it. Thank you.